like Chick-fil-A, we need to have a conversation. We need to chat, because I love these fries. Love them, love them, love them. Especially when they hot out the grease. They real good. My question there, what is this? What is this? What is this? My children lose their ever-loving mind when they got potatoes that look like this in their container. All they want is these. Where's the quality control? You know what they call this? They call this the egg fry. I don't know why. I've been trying to get them to tell me why. But this fry and this fry, they are not created equal. I don't want to hear nothing about a potato is a potato, because it is not. This is a waffle fry. According to my children, this is an egg fry. And just for comparative purposes, like, this is a pretty big piece of potato with ridges. We don't eat these. We don't. Because this is not representative of what we think we should have when we order our Chick-fil-A. We want this. We don't want an egg fry. No egg fry. Let's step it up on the quality control, Chick-fil-A. Everything else good, though. Figure out what to do with the egg fry. Thank you. Toodles.